Hey everyone, welcome back. This is part 2 of our series, Top Apps that every international student must install. If you missed part 1, be sure to check it out in the link below. Today, we are going to explore another essential app that's must-have for international students. As you know, I'm an Erasmus Mundus scholarship holder and I'm sharing student hacks and tips with all international students. So the app is UNiDAYS. UNiDAYS is an app that offers exclusive discounts and deals for students. You can save money on everything from fashion and beauty to travel and foods. Some of my favorite features of UNiDAYS include exclusive discounts at top brands, at Apple, Nike, a student ID that's accepted globally. It is important to mention that this video is not sponsored, just shared for the purpose of help and support to international students. Getting started with the UNiDAYS is easy. Simply download the app, sign up with your university email address, and verify your student status. Once you are verified, you can start browsing discounts and deals right away. Let's explore the app. Once you sign up and verify your student ID, then your account will be verified. And then you can use it. It has 600 plus brands, fashion, food and drinks. See, you have offers for Samsung, Uber Eats, 600 plus brands. If you explore it, you see almost every brand here. Oh, Apple. Let's see what it has. Apple Store. Save up to £100 on, because mine is based on UK. So you can save, for UK, you can save £100 on iPaid with Apple Education Saving. So you have a lot of offers for Apple Online Store. And you have offer for Apple Music. Okay, so it has like 1 month free Apple Music. You have all these brands. You can choose your favorite brand and you can get a lot of discounts. So let's see categories. So you have education and learning. You can get a lot of discounts and you can save money for learning. All these for learning. Grammarly, see, you can save 25% on Grammarly. Oh, Quiltboard, you can save 25% on Quiltboard. Course Hero, Fiverr. So all these are learning platforms through which you can learn and get discounts. You have fashion, all kind of fashion, technology, where accessories, desktops, gaming, laptop, mobile, subscriptions. Let's check subscriptions. Okay, you have Prime subscription. That's all. And then you have beauty, food and drinks, well-being, health and fitness. Okay, if you travel, if you want to book a flight, if you want to book a train in UK or in Europe, you can use this discount on your app. So it has all travels and it has all apps of travel and beauty. So you can have discounts on beauty products, care products, skincare products. So if you're a student, so here's a question that I'm not a student but working for an educational institute. So if you are someone who is working in an educational institute, so can I use members of staff? Yes, you can use it, account with entitles. My institution is not listed, can I still? So if you have any questions regarding this, don't forget to follow, like, and share with international students.